It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
This is my 1968 Chevrolet C10. That's the fourth generation in my family truck here. It was purchased by my grandpa, and he passed it down to Dad, and Dad gave it to me when I was 12 years old. I'm 43 now. I've had it for a while. It's got the LED headlights. Gave her a paint job. Under the hood here we've got a 250 straight six, and I have upgraded from the points ignition. I put electronic ignition on it. I haven't got the heater box put back in yet. Like I said, I just got her put back together. I did change out the carburetor. Got automatic choke yet now on it, because that was just came with the carburetor, so I went ahead and hooked it up. Kind of redid the interior here too. You can see carpet's a little dirty right now, but it's new. That radio is actually Bluetooth capable. It's the original radio, but I took it apart and went through it and added a Bluetooth receiver in it. Probably not a whole lot of them that you've seen them do this right here. Okay, I guess that's about it. Like I said, if you're curious about any of this stuff that I've done on the truck, extra stuff I put on there, you can go to my channel and check it out. I got the entire restoration is up. I've got the entire build on the bed. I got the welder on there, how to replace the carburetor. If you want to check any of that stuff out, my YouTube channel is Luke Fugit. Thanks for watching.
Well, that was this week's video, and remember, to have your car video highlighted here on my channel, check this out! So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell!